What's happening, Octo family? Well, we got some more drama. This time it wasn't from Spackman. This is going to revolve around the Stripe folks. How about Mr. Patrick Collison, the one who got all squirmy when asked about if he was going to be spacking with Ackman or spacking at all? He just casually threw this up on his Twitter today and said, "Hey, will be my new go-to example of garden path sentence." If you don't know what a garden path sentence is, it's basically it's like a play on words. So it's something that has like duality or like dual meaning, right? What are we talking about? Here's the sentence. Singapore investor buying Stripe Pinterest building for the deal with Alexandria Real Estate Equities represents the REIT's first investment in San Francisco. So the first part there, Singapore investor buying Stripe Pinterest building, blah, blah, and he goes. So he's doing a play with words there about someone buying Stripe, right? Well, if you don't know who this guy is, he's one of the founders of Stripe, maybe like the owner, I guess. And I'm darn sure this is his brother, right? John Collison. Well, he decided to reply to this tweet here. Say, I can't believe that they outbid PSTH, Bill Ackman. And then Patrick, the brother from another mother or the same mother, came back and said, well, maybe they meant to buy the Stripe Total Landscaping building. So again, this is called trolling, man. I'm cool with this as long as it is Ackman's, right? Because if not, these guys are messing with like a lot of people's little retail investors' money. Who knows how much these guys are worth? Like $1 billion, I'm sure, between the two, and they're sitting here trolling us. It's kind of funny unless they end up IPOing themselves, and then it sucks for everyone, and then it is what it is, right? But I just had to get this out there. Take it with a grain of salt. Interpret it how you want. There's going to be some people that are going to be saying, well, this shows here that they would never do this, and it's not going to be Bill Ackman because this would go against SEC guidelines of leaving breadcrumbs to investors and all that. That's probably kind of true, but at the same side, if you know anything about SPACs and all that, and about these fake rumored reports that come out with people that were familiar with the matter that come out, insider trading and breadcrumbs are left all day long on almost every stock, all day. This is definitely throwing it in the face, though, of it. Could the SEC make a stink about it? Maybe, but any halfway decent lawyer could easily just say, "What are you talking about? We didn't. I just made up this here. No, I didn't mean that." There's ways to get around it. I don't see this equaling the fact that it's not going to be PSTH. To me, this tells me that they're definitely aware of it. They're paying attention to what people are saying and talking about. If you guys are listening to me, I'd love to do an interview after you announce PSTH or after you don't. But regardless, just keep it in the back of your head, right? They could still be fine with this. Like I said, there's nothing. It's not totally directed. Could you fight it in court if you were a lawyer? Let me know down in the comments. Are you going to be buying more because of this? Are you going to be selling because of this? Or are you just going to keep holding? The way I'm looking at this point is, if you look at the risk to reward on PSTH, this thing almost has like a $21.50 floor-ish, right? Worst case scenario, how much are you going to lose? Have you guys even calculated that out? Is it 5, 7, 10, 12, 15, 20% if you buy the commons right now? What I'm getting at is, even if it's not Stripe, there's still a handful of other businesses that we've pointed out many times. If you don't know what I'm talking about, look at my other videos where I go over other possible targets and why other ones just won't work. Like Robinhood. I would love Robinhood, but it's too small. Can you believe that? We got a SPAC that's too big for Robinhood. We were waiting for one that was big enough to get Robinhood. Now we're past one? I don't know. What do you think? Put your comments down in the comments. Greatly appreciate it. Y'all take care.